Before I had the heart surgery, I had to huff and puff to catch my breath. I couldn't walk from here to there to stop without stopping to catch my breath. They did a heart catheterization, and they found out one of the valves in my heart was not opening and was not pumping enough of blood. So on the 24th of October, I came here and Dr. Cardone did the surgery, and I feel like a new woman since then.
In the past, it has been done where we put patient in the OR, we cut their chest open. This way, you come in the morning, we give you some sedation, a little bit of anesthesia. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. We go through the groin under fluoroscopic guidance and echocardiographic guidance. We can go and put a valve just like we put stents in the heart, and we are done.
After I had the surgery, not long after that, they had me up walking, and I walked and walked and walked and walked. And I said, no, look at what I could do. And they laughed at me and all that. But no, they told me if I hadn't had it, I only had 4 to 6 months to live. That's how serious it was. But now he gave me what he said, 20 years. In the hospital, you couldn't have wanted better treatment. You have to have faith in the doctors and the good Lord, and to me, it's a miracle, really. I would recommend this hospital to anybody.